Hello, fantastic learners. Welcome back to Reading Readiness Centers, where every video is a ticket to an exciting world of knowledge. Today, we are embarking on a fascinating journey as we delve into the intricate tapestry of political systems and borders. A look at political systems. Imagine a delicious cake. To bake it perfectly, you need a recipe. Likewise, each country has a unique recipe for governance, called a political system. This system determines how decisions are made, leaders are chosen, and laws are implemented. Types of political systems. Monarchy, a king or queen reigns for life. Think of castles and princesses. Democracy, people elect representatives to make decisions for them. Imagine voting booths and debates. Republic, similar to a democracy, but representatives are chosen by the people for a specific period. Think of presidents and parliaments. Lines that define unveiling the mysteries of borders. Now, imagine dividing a delicious pizza. Borders are like those lines, separating countries on a map. These lines can be natural, like mighty rivers or towering mountains, or artificial, drawn straight across the land. Types of borders. Open borders, freedom flows. People and goods can easily move between countries. Imagine open markets and cultural exchange. Closed borders, strict controls exist, limiting movement across the line. Imagine checkpoints and border patrols. More than just lines, exploring the impact of borders. While borders might appear as simple lines on a map, their impact is far-reaching. They influence the laws we live under. Each country has unique laws based on its political system. Think about traffic rules and school regulations. The opportunities we have, access to resources, education, and travel can be influenced by borders. Imagine different languages and cultural practices. The way we interact with others, borders can connect or divide communities, fostering cooperation or conflict. Think about international trade and peacekeeping missions. A global village connecting across borders. Not all borders are created equal. Some are defined by nature, like big rivers and towering mountains, while others are imaginary lines drawn on maps. Let's explore the diversity of these boundaries. Even though borders separate us geographically, we are all connected by our shared humanity. We can build bridges of understanding and cooperation through learning about different cultures, sharing stories, music, and traditions. Embracing diversity, celebrating our unique differences. Working together for a better world, tackling global challenges like climate change and poverty. Despite having different leaders and borders, countries also collaborate. It's like being part of a massive team, each with its own unique role. Countries engage in trade, swapping things. They have a lot of the things they need, just like sharing snacks with friends. They also join forces in international organizations to tackle global challenges. And there you have it, our expedition into the world of political systems and borders. If you found this video exciting and informative, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more captivating lessons. Until our next journey, keep exploring, keep learning. This is Reading Readiness Centers, signing off.